JEE Main is not an easy exam to crack. It requires dedication, hard work, and proper planning. Many candidates prepare for months but still fail to achieve their desired result. However, with proper guidance and a well-planned strategy, anyone can be a topper. Here are some tips you can follow to go from an average JEE Main candidate to a topper in just 6 months. Tip number 1. Effective time management. Time management is key for JEE Main preparation. You should allocate enough time for each subject and ensure that you cover the entire syllabus. Make a study plan with deadlines, and stick to it. Take breaks in between but use that time for activities that act as stress busters and keep you motivated. The idea is to keep the balance between studies and leisure activities. Tip number 2. Proper study techniques. Effective study techniques are an essential part of JEE Main preparation. You should create a study routine to follow every day, with enough time for revision. Take online tests to keep track of your progress and analyze your performance. Take note of the areas where you are weaker and focus on them. Watch online video tutorials for better understanding of subjects that you may struggle with. Tip number 3. Exam preparation. Preparing for exams is not just about studying. It's also about preparing mentally and emotionally. Make sure you are well rested, eat healthily, and stay hydrated. Practice meditation to keep a calm mind and improve focus. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern, marking scheme, and time management strategy. That's all for today's video on how to go from average to JEE Main topper in just 6 months. We hope these tips and tricks help you achieve your desired result. Remember, it's not just about studying hard, but also studying smart. Stay motivated, stay focused, and success will surely follow. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and we'll see you soon.